It's raining on top of the snow, so it's making it super heavy to do anything. Like super heavy. And my heart's already been to SVT. When I got in the house, it was over 200 beats a minute. So I broke that. I'm out here trying it again. I'm lucky I have a plow guy because I can't. He's already swept past once. Let's see. Right now, that's what the plow does. The city plows you right in. So it's not just even about getting your cars out. Sucks. Oh, so heavy. Is it fun? See, look at that. My plow guy already came, and the city came after him and just freaking did that again. So as much work as you do in your driveway, it could be all clean. The city guys will come back with like 4 plows and make that super high, and you're back to square one. She went out in rain boots because she couldn't find her snow boots. Like mother, like daughter, using those rain boots for everything.